This home has a passive radon mitigation system, and the last time we did a radon test, the levels were 3.91. The EPA recommends that you take action when radon levels are 4 picocuries. So what we're going to do is add a radon booster fan to the system to lower the levels. The radon system here uses 3-inch PVC, and you're either going to have 3-inch or 4-inch PVC. The Tjernlund radon fan that I'm putting in has 4-inch couplings, so I'm going to use a reducing bushing to go from 4 inches to 3 inches. When I cut out this section of the pipe, I'm going to be using rubber couplings to connect the fan. I laid out all my parts, and I'm going to use this as a measurement where I want to cut the pipe. Now I'm going to cut out a section of the pipe. I'm going to connect my bushings to the fan using PVC primer and cement, and I'm going to hold the fan so when I'm applying the chemicals it won't drip into the fan. Now I'm going to measure and cut the pipe for the couplings. Now I'll glue the pipe to the bushings. Make sure you verify the direction of the airflow before you install it. Slide my rubber couplings over the pipe on the fan. I'll put my fan in place and then I'll pull down my couplings over the system. Now we'll plug it in. The fan is very quiet. It's designed to run continuously and it only pulls 0.3 amps. And I'll put the model number underneath the video.